Hello guys, this is Rotelsa Vlogs. I'm here in the weekend here in Germany in the Black Forest. So I will show you the Black Forest over there. That is the Black Forest. So let's go down and take a look at the beauty of the nature. So guys, I am now right here down the city, and you can see over there on the top, look at my finger, that is the Black Forest, and that is the old castle that I'm showing you and featuring you in my blog. So come on, and this is one of the beautiful building here in the city. So let's go down and walk around. This time is still locked down here in Germany in the Black Forest, but since it's a weekend, there is nobody here walking, so I don't wear my mask because I'm just walking around here. So look at here guys again, that is the old castle on the top, that is the Black Forest, and that is the castle on the topmost over there. So let's come and take a look. Let's walk around. And let's see the view of the city. So this is the main road, the city center of the Schramberg Germany. The Black Forest is a big region, but this is in Schramberg. So look at the buildings guys. Let's take a look. So this is how it looks like. So I will show you. And here is a beautiful church here. I crossed the road here. So I will stop here. I will show you another. This is the church here in Schramberg. Ang simbahan nila, ang tower, may manok sa taas. Parang manok ni San Pedro guys yon, no? If the tower is there is a chicken or a rooster, that is not a Catholic. That is a Protestant church. So Black Forest is belong to the Baden-Württemberg. So that is the name Württemberg. It's very quiet this time because it is weekend. So gala-gala lang muna ako guys kasi hapon na. And nobody is walking here now because it's weekend and so very quiet. I am now here approaching the stoplight, and look at here, I am now in the stoplight. This is the city stoplight, and you can see another mountain here, and you can see beautiful houses. And again here guys, you can see the old castle here on the top. You can see there. So let's move and take a look the beauty of the buildings. And this is a modern building here. Itong pula, modern building. And guys, you are now here in the city center, in the stoplight. Look. So guys, I hope you like this video, and we will go down. We will see the beauty of the city. So take a look there. That is the stoplight over there. And look at the mountain. So ikot tayo dito guys. I will just show you the beauty of the houses here. Look, this is the commercial area here of Schramberg. So this is a walking tour. You can see the buildings here are old style. Look, yan ang mga traditional houses here, typical German houses. Look, so this is the building here, and you can also see, look, that is the old structure of the German building. Oh, meron siya dito. Oh, this is a ship here. So let's move. This is one of the oldest building here in Schramberg. This way is a commercial area. So yun ang mga building nila, guys. So gala-gala tayo dito pababa. So look here. So we are going to the church. So this way is the church. You can see may tower dyan. So maglalakad lang tayo, guys. I will just show you the beauty of the building here. Look, this way is a salon. Dito kami nagpapa-gupit, oh, hair lunch. Kaya lang kailangan mo magpa-reserve or make appointment first before you can have an appointment. You make a reservation, call the salon to give you an appointment. So guys, you are now here in the church, in the tower of the church, and the castle is on the top. So yung mga building nila, oh, tingnan mo dito. This is a hotel and restaurant here. Look at the buildings here. And now I am already here down, and this is the church, Catholic church. And look at here, guys, another beauty of the buildings here. This is a restaurant here. And I am here now. I will show you the beauty of the Catholic church. That is the white one. I miss the church because it's locked down, so we cannot go inside. So guys, this is now the St. Mary's Church here in Schramberg. Look at there. And above there is the old castle. So if you want to go up to the castle, you have to walk from the back of this church and go up there. You can go by hike or you can go by car. And this way is the city center there. Okay, this is the city center. So city center yan dyan. And here is the running water here, guys. Look. Oh, very cold. The fresh running water is very strong. And this is now the church. And in this way is the commercial area. Let's move. I miss attending the church, the mass of the church. But since it is locked down, it's almost more than 1 year now. So we cannot go inside. So this is it. So this is a walking tour. We will go forward to see the beauty of the nature. And look at the swan. There is a swan over there. Look. The swan are swimming. So this is the commercial area of Schramberg Black Forest of Germany. Nakikita nyo sa aking mga vlogs, ito yung mga buildings. Ito pa, oh, maganda ang mga kahoy kahit winter. So it's winter, the leaves are falling. And in the other side, guys, this is the tropical or typical German houses on the side of the forest. And here is a music school here. So, let's pause and take a look. Dito na lang ilalagay ko para makita nyo. So, I will be here for a while and I will show you. This is Rotelsa right here from the Black Forest. Naggala-gala lang ako dito guys. Just to show you the beauty of